Now, the next thing we gotta actually talk about, man, is the one thing that I feel like is important to me, and that is the 88 height comfort plus the smart flush, because it is all about comfort as well as convenience. Now, the T38P here sits at 17.3 inches, which makes it ADA compliant, meaning it's easy for you guys to be able to sit on, as well as it's easy to stand, and perfect if you guys are thinking long-term accessibility. Then when it comes time to be able to flush the smart toilet, it doesn't play around with that either. It's got a MAP score of 1,000 grams, meaning it can clear up to 2.2 pounds of waste in a single go. Tell me that's not impressive. So if you guys are dropping, a decent amount of friends off into the pool, then the HOROW T38P, it's got you covered with ease, man. And then on top of that, the smart dual flush system even will decide whether it's to use 1 or 1.28 gallons automatically, saving you up to 2,000 gallons of water per year. This part I love especially because it's gonna save me money long term, where it's eco-friendly and ego-friendly, which is both something that I love. Now, this next part here, man, I thought was a really dope and just clever feature, and that is the power as well as backup battery feature. So let's say you guys are in your home, right? Let's paint this scenario, and then you are using it or whatever, or you haven't used it or you need to use it, and the power decides to go out. Well, even if that happens, the smart toilet still has you covered. So there's a battery box that you guys can see right here that gives you up to 200 flushes during a power outage, which is so clutch because by this toilet here being dependent on power, having this, man, is so clutch of a feature, man, if the power decides to go out. It's nice that it ensures flushing still will happen or be able to function even during a power outage. To me, such a dope design, man. Literally, my toilet is more reliable than my Wi-Fi, which is crazy to think of.